A Python class that acts like dict. I want to write a custom class that behaves like dict, so I am inheriting from dict. My question, though, is, do I need to create a private dict member in my _init_ method? I don't see the point of this, since I already have the dict behavior if I simply inherit from dict. Can anyone point out why most of the inheritance snippets look like the one below, instead of the simpler? Actually, I think I suspect the answer to the question is so that users cannot directly access your dictionary, i.e. they have to use the access methods that you have provided. However, what about the array access operator? How would one implement that? So far, I have not seen an example that shows how to override the operator. So if a access function is not provided in the custom class, the inherited base methods will be operating on a different dictionary. I tried the following snippet to test out my understanding of Python inheritance. I got the following error. Key error, less than built-in function id. What is wrong with the code above? How do I correct the class dict so that I can write code like this? Edit. I have edited the code sample above to get rid of the silly error I made before I dashed away from my desk. It was a typo, I should have spotted it from the error message.
Check the documentation on emulating container types. In your case, the first parameter to add should be self.
Like this. Now you can use the built-in functions, like dict.get as self.get. You do not need to wrap a hidden self._dict. Your class already is a dict.
UserDict from the Python standard library is designed for this purpose.
Histoire de tout cela, puis je considère subscribing.